Welcome to Distilled, the Bourbon Podcast. I'm Brent. I'm here with my friends Brian, Chuck, and Aaron. Aaron's on his phone, but he'll be with us in just a moment. Aaron, this is your episode, buddy. I went to Captain Court, and I was looking for a new cocktail, and it was just spring, and it was hot outside already. And I asked the bartender that was there that day what I should have, and she said, "Oh, you need a paper plane." Tell us about that.
So I'm surprised you said she said because one of our bartenders, Bryce, this is his favorite cocktail.
Yeah. Oh, it might have been Bryce.
Bryce's favorite cocktail is a paper plane. Paper plane's very simple cocktail. Enjoyed in the summertime. It actually was invented relatively recently. 2008 was the first time that a paper plane had been made. It was a song, popular song by the band MIA. And so the cocktail was released for a bar in Chicago's grand opening.
Oh, cool.
They wanted a summertime cocktail, bourbon, little bitter, something refreshing. And so, funny story, the original recipe, because when you're making when you're using a bittering liquor with bourbon, normally you choose Campari.
Right.
But when they made the original drink with Campari, it fought the bourbon, and so they went to Campari's sister, Aperol, instead of Campari. And that's where the paper plane comes. Easy cocktail. I personally like to use a wheated bourbon when I'm making my paper planes. So, I mean, you can get it now. Weller Special Reserve makes the best paper plane.
Yeah.
And it's 3/4 ounce. And I'm not going to disclose anything. It's all over the internet.
Yeah.
It's 3/4 ounce of your whiskey, 3/4 ounce Amaro Nonino, which is another herbal, also a little bitter, but more towards the herbal side.
Right.
And then Aperol as your bittering, and then lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of each.
Equal amounts of each one of those.
Shake them up. Let's go.
It's nice and poured over ice.
Actually,
or
served
shake
up.
it. Mm-hmm.
Shake, of course, anytime you're making a cocktail and you're using any type of fresh juice, always shake, don't stir. If you're using all alcohol, then you would stir the cocktail. But you shake it, and then typically you'll serve it up in a coupe. So Actually, this is the craziest thing I've ever heard, but a gentleman came up to the bar and asked me, if you don't care, I'm sitting with a table of men who are all drinking old fashions. Could you please pour my paper plane into a rocks glass? And I said, Brent, yes, I will.
Yeah, exactly right. No, that did not happen. I will drink mine out of a little dainty martini glass any day long. But this is fantastic. Yes. Get some grapefruit there. Mm-hmm. So the lemon juice comes through, but that bourbon is just special on the backside.
It's not overpowering, and I think that's why that's what they were going for. Something in the summer where you can still enjoy your bourbon, but also get that refreshing. I can sit outside when it's hot and drink this and not worry about it.
It's kind of semi-sweet, but it still has acid to it.
Yes.
It's very well balanced, though, because you can still taste the bourbon. And I think I just found my new cocktail. Seriously, it's really good.
I have this one every time I go to Captain Cork. It's fantastic.
This is my first time.
My first time as well.
It's just so well balanced. And like I said, if you can measure 3/4 of an ounce, you can't screw it up.
I can't, but I have a 1 ounce.
So you can do 1 and 1.
So I can do 1 and 1, and I get 1.5 drinks.
All I have is a 1.5 ounce.
Oh yeah, just go ahead and do that and point to.
You're gonna want to, I promise. Well, there you go. Paper plane, fantastic bourbon drink, great in the summer, and I'm not going to stop drinking them. So
I'm going to have Bryce make me one.
Hit me with those. It's a wheated bourbon is what you prefer, but it could be any whiskey.
Could be any whiskey. 3/4 ounce whiskey, 3/4 ounce Amaro Nonino, 3/4 ounce Aperol, and then 3/4 ounce lemon juice.
And now I had to look up Amaro Nonino, but you have that at your Bartlett store, I know, because that's where I bought mine. And you also have the Aperol there, so you can get them all at Beverage Barn. This is not a commercial for Beverage Barn. I'm just telling you, you're going to want to make one of these, and that's where you can find it.
Now, be careful with your Amaro. There are other Amaros out there.
Right,
if you get the wrong one, it'll screw it up.
Nonino.
N-O-N-I-N-O.
Okay, there you go. All right. Chuck, what do you think? Going to have another one?
I think that's a very, very tasty summer drink. Obviously, I like whiskey, so I like a whiskey-based cocktail, like whiskey sours and my house cocktail at home. That's extremely drinkable. Yeah. And I love lemon juice as well.
Yeah. Chuck, one question for you. Mm-hmm. Is Donna's fist okay?
She says it really hurts.
Okay. Well, that said, please drink responsibly.
Cheers.